I'm going to attempt to barbecue. Yes, I can. Me, can also barbecue. Oh, it's hot. Let's turn you around. Here it is. I don't know why it's green. Yep, no idea. But here are the burgers. We shall put the burgers on here. I feel like I need to oil this or something, but yeah, let's not oil it and go with that. Let's do this together. I am taking burger. I am going shabalak. Oh, nice. All right, I shall continue doing this and we'll check in later. Okay, so I have now put all the burgers in, and I have put all the burger bones down. These are frozen, so I'm just waiting for them to defrost. And these are cooking. I shall not turn them around yet because I don't feel like they're ready to be turned around, although they're sticky and gooey. It's alright. I'll check in again soon. Okay, so when it comes to burgers, go with your gut. I just said I don't think it looks ready, and then I went and I tried to turn this around anyway, and as you can see, it was not ready. It is very unhappy burger. So we're gonna let these bunch here cook a little bit more. So I am not impressed because I turned them around and they look burgery, but I think maybe I should have oiled it or something. They're all stuck to the grill, which I don't think is supposed to happen. Like this one is getting all, I can see it. They're like, ooh, fire, fire, fire! And there's the first one. Yeah, I'd much more rather just cook on the stove, because this is not cooking them consistently. And I don't like it. I don't like it. It's it looks icky. And these have definitely, oh no, I lied. Alright, maybe I can't barbecue as well as I thought I could, but it'll get better.